Hi, Lockdown Diaries episode 5. It's an E today. E for, you guessed it right, egg. One of my favorites. A new twist to egg on your face. Egg is wonderful for your face and for your hair. What I do with egg is use the white for the face as a firming mask, and then I use the rest of the egg on my hair. I'm going to show you the face bit right now. So you break an egg and take a bit of the white in a bowl. Add a little bit of honey. Honey always helps in firming. You mix them together. If it's cold, it's really nice. And you put it in your face. Wow. A favorite of mine. I do this at least twice a week, if not more. It feels really good. And here's a tip. After you put it, be silent for about 10 minutes or so. Say nothing. That's when the tightening takes effect. Which is great, because you sit quietly enjoying honey and egg. Whatever is remaining you can put in the freezer and use another day. It is really useful to firm up your face. Stay safe, stay indoors, stay healthy, stay beautiful, stay nuts about me. See you tomorrow with a F. Give me ideas if you have any. Otherwise, see you later.